Going live with the tutorial. Okay, I think I'm live. Let me check first if I'm live or not. Looks like I am. Stream settings. Waiting for viewers. Guys, you will learn how to add image swatches in this tutorial. I'm gonna wait for some of the viewers to show up and I'll start the tutorial on this live stream. I had a lot of fun on last Sunday doing live stream, and I thought I should create a tutorial on live stream. So this tutorial will help you add color swatches to your product page, and you can also add image swatches. So these are all of the settings. So if I go to settings, sorry, these are the collection one. Okay, so these are the color swatches for the product page. Let me go to the product page on theme customize, changing the default product. Okay, so here's the product, and here's the setting for the color swatches. We can have square style, and we can have square with rounded corners. And you can see we have dual color custom color swatch and the tricolor swatch on the product page. And we can also add images. So if you select variant image, it will automatically pull all of the variant images on color swatches. You can also add custom image. Let me check if someone joined me on this stream. Okay, got one. Hi. Can you guys hear me well? Please comment on the live chat section and let me know if you can hear me up, if you can hear me out. Should I wait for the viewership or should I just start implementing the tutorial? So let's try adding the custom image here on the fifth one. I'm also going to create a short tutorial for this on my channel. I just want to see the difference if I get more viewership on the live stream or if I get more viewership on the edited tutorial which I usually add in my channel. Files. Okay, so let's add just add the logo for now in order to show you guys. So I'm just gonna copy the handle of this file and I'm going to replace this 3 color with the custom image. So going to add the file extension. Now it should show image. You can see that it changed from swatch to the custom image URL which I added. So all you have to do is just upload it to files and then copy the file name and add the file extension here to add the custom image swatch. And that's the tutorial which you guys need to follow in order to add custom swatches to your product page. So I don't have much time today. I'm just going to start implementing that. I'll see if I get the viewership. I'll answer the questions on the live chat if I get any. If I don't, it's fine. So let's start by adding fresh theme, and I'm going to start implementing the tutorial. Okay, so let's add in a fresh Dawn theme, or let's do it on Sense theme because it should work on all of the free themes completely fine. Okay, my Sense theme has been added. I'm going to publish that. And now let's preview it. Going to close the old tabs which I have. Okay, so that's the product where I have the colors. You can see I have these colors where I'll implement the color swatches. Okay, so I'm going to go to themes, click on these three small dots, and then click on edit code. Before editing the code, make sure to have a backup of your theme. Create a duplicate of your theme. If you're working on live theme, it's good to save your work and avoid blaming me if you get any errors on the code, because I get a lot of blames. Okay, so first step is to add the following code to settings underscore schema.json. Here's the schema file, and that's where we will add the schema. So I'm just going to hit enter and then copy this schema code. Click on copy code and then paste it here. Perfect. Make sure you have an ending comma here after pasting the schema code from this tutorial. You will find the link of this tutorial on the video description. Hit save after pasting the code, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, now we will replace code. That's the code which we will replace in product dash variant picker.liquid file with the following code, right? Okay, so I'm gonna go to product dash variant dash picker.liquid file, and let's find the code. I'm just going to copy this class here, find it on my product dash variant picker file, and that's the code we'll need to replace. So let me zoom in to show you guys. Oops, zoomed in a lot. So that's the code which we need to replace. Field set, right, with the following code here. Okay, I'm just going to copy this code and paste it here. Perfect. After pasting the code, it's safe. And then we will move on to the next step. Now in this step, we will create this snippet here by the name of color dash option. So let's go back to the code, and from the code editor, click on add a new snippet. And I'm going to copy the file name here, paste it here. Oops, color dash option. Okay, in color dash option.liquid file, just copy this code by clicking on this copy code button and paste it here. Perfect, just hit save. And that's it. Our tutorial is implemented. Now I'll just go to product page and hit refresh where I have the swatches. You can see that my colors are showing up fine. But my green color is showing up as black. What's the reason for that? Because when I go to my customize, getting a call. Okay, I'm gonna avoid this for now. So if I go to customize and go to theme settings, you'll find this color swatches by WebsensePro. Here you will find all of the settings. I'm going to go to my product template. I'll have to switch the product page. So let's switch it to the one where we have the color swatches. Okay, here we have the color swatches, and as you can see, we have the green not showing up. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to add my green because I haven't defined the hex code for green, right? So all I have to do is just add in the line break, mention green, and add in the hex code for green. Now let's search for green hex code from Google. And that's my hex code, which I'm going to copy and add it to customize settings. And after pasting the hex code, it should be showing up. So let's wait for it. Okay, you can see that it's the green color showing up fine now. So if you have any custom color, you'll have to define that. Like I have this olive brown. If you have peach or any other color, for dual color, you'll have to add 2 hex codes, just like I have for green red. And for tricolor, you'll have to add 3 color codes, like I have it here for green, red, blue. And make sure when you define color here, it should match exactly with your product page. So if I go to my product backend, let's open that up on a new tab. And go to products and go to t-shirt. So make sure whatever value you are, whatever text for color you're giving here, it should match with the colors here. So for example, if I add an extra space here, you saw that my dual color swatch got broken. So you'll have to make sure that you add the color here, which is exactly same as your product backend here. Like I have it here, green, red. And in order to make the variant image work, so when you click on variant image, it will display the variant images on swatches. Make sure to add the images here. So click on edit and then select the variant image. Make sure you have the variant images placed, because otherwise if I do not have the variant image here, it's not going to show up on my product page as well. So let's remove one of the image. So let's for example remove the black one. So I'm just uncheck it, done, it's save. And now when I go to the product page, I'll have to save it first. So let's save. And now when I go to the product page, you can see that my black color is broken. All of the variant images are showing up, but the black color is broken. The reason why is that because it's missing the variant image from the product backend. So make sure you have the variant image selected. And now we'll see how we can add the custom image. I already showed you guys in the starting of the video, but let me show you guys again. So for example, for this last color here, where I have green, red, blue, I'm going to add custom image. So on my backend, I have logo.png file. Let's go to files. Here I have logo.png, right? Let's add this one. So I have this table lamps file, and I can display this as a custom swatch. So I'm just going to copy the URL handle, and then paste it here, and then add the image extension. I think it's .jpg. Is it the JPEG image? No, I think it's a WebP image. Okay, let's try WebP. And to display the custom image, you'll have to click on color, and it's not displaying the WebP image. I think we'll have to upload the PNG file for that. So let me check what's the URL for that image. WebP, copy link. Okay, so that's the file name. Let me copy that and see if it's working. It should work. Nope, it's gonna pick the PNG image only. Okay, so let's try with the PNG then, which is logo.png, which I already have uploaded on my files here. So here's the file. You can see the PNG file I have. I can try with the JPEG file as well. So let's try with the hat.jpg. Okay, hat.jpg. Okay, you can see that my custom image swatch is showing up completely fine, and we can increase the swatch size as well. Okay, now we are showing our color swatch as 60 pixel. Not much viewership on this live stream, but I think I was able to cover all of the features of this tutorial. Yep, for multilingual store, if you're running a multilingual store, make sure to match this value with the whatever you have on the product backend. So if I go to t-shirt, and so that's the name of my color. If I change the spelling here, it's going to break the functionality. So make sure you have it same as this one here. Okay, I think that's it for this tutorial. I hope I was able to cover everything up, and I'm going to end this stream now. I didn't receive any comments for questions. Lots of highs, but nothing much. No more questions on this, so I'm going to end this live stream. I'm going to add the edited version of this tutorial as well to see which one works the most, live stream or the edited tutorial. So I'm going to follow the same pattern, whatever works the most. Okay, that's it. Have a great day, guys. Bye.